Mastering English, completing a series. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might come across in both written and spoken English, completing a series. Understanding this phrase is not just about expanding your vocabulary, but also about grasping a concept that's widely used in various contexts. Let's explore together what it means and how you can use it effectively in your communication. Completing a series refers to the act of finishing a sequence or a set of items, events, or actions that are related or follow a particular order. This can apply to numerous situations, such as completing a set of tasks, finishing a sequence of events, or finalizing a collection of objects. The key here is the idea of continuation and conclusion. Something that has been started is now being brought to an end, following through all the necessary steps or stages in between. To better understand how completing a series is used, let's look at some examples. In education or courses, completing a series of lessons or modules in a course. Here, the series is the set of lessons that lead to the achievement of learning objectives. In entertainment, finishing watching a series of movies or TV shows. The series consists of episodes or films that are connected by the same storyline or themes. In tasks or projects, when working on a project, you might need to complete a series of steps or tasks before the project is considered finished. Each of these examples showcases the phrase's versatility and how it can be applied across different spheres of life. Understanding and using the phrase, completing a series, is important for several reasons. Clarity and communication. It helps you convey the idea of finishing a sequence of actions or items clearly and effectively. Goal achievement. Recognizing the concept of completing a series can motivate you to see tasks or learning processes through to their conclusion. Organizational skills. It emphasizes the importance of following through with all parts of a process, which is a valuable skill in any context. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, completing a series, and why it's such a useful concept to grasp in the English language. Whether you're working through a series of tasks, binge watching your favorite TV series, or wrapping up a course, remembering this phrase can help you articulate your progress and achievements. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.